Hey, what's going on, everybody? So listen, glad to have you guys here. You guys already know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. This is the So Darn Easy Forex movement, where people alike all across the world, they come here to have their perspective changed on how they look at the market, how they trade the market. All right. So listen, remember, if you're not yet connected with us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, get connected. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel or even on Vimeo, get subscribed to our channels. All right. You guys never know when it's going to be a great video that's going to change your perspective, change your life. All right. Now, listen, this is going to be a part 2 to our video that we made, that I made yesterday on the EURUSD analysis. All right. The trading analysis. So I think that there was an important part that I left out that that's extremely important for you guys to know. So I wanted to explain it to you guys. This is gonna be a very short video, just 1 or 2 points that I missed that I want to make sure you guys know. All right, so listen, let's sort of recap what we did yesterday. So you guys know yesterday we were monitoring the areas like here where the market was in it was respecting our trend lines. It was in a obvious trend, then it broke out of the trend and it started to range, sort of like a range, sort of like a hybrid market range, and then trending market. Okay, let's zoom out more. Okay, you guys see that sort of ranging, and then it fell into a sort of like a trending, I call it a hybrid market, whatever. Then it fell into a very tight ranging market. Okay, and this is where I want you guys to pay attention. See, when it fell inside of this ranging market, it broke outside of the ranging market. Okay, so if you guys remember, I had explained this area here. Okay, during the French presidential election, the market broke outside of that area, and I said, listen, expect for these markets to go up. While I was thinking more so 3 to 6 months, the market kept going up for about 10 or 11 months. Okay, so that's important for everybody to know. I mean, the market kept going up, but of course it then fell back down. At present, in our short long-term movement right here, the market is going down. But what the market makers are doing right now, they allowed the market to creep inside of this, what was once this height ranging market. So therefore, what my analysis is that although the market fell down inside of this area, it doesn't mean that it's going to continue to go down. Okay? In fact, what I'm watching is to see if, pay attention now, I'm watching to see if and when this market goes back above this tight ranging area. If it does, of course, it supports my bias. My bias is that the market is going to go up. Okay? Remember what I told you guys about a pullback. A pullback is it's usually a temporary move so the market can launch higher. Okay? Now, in the event the market fails to go back up, well, it's inside of what was once a tight ranging area. More than likely, no guarantee, but more than likely the market will start to range again. Okay, no guarantees though. Now, this is something else you have to pay attention to. This area is going to be a very strong area to watch. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you this. If the market decides to go down, this market will play a huge factor in, how the market moves. Okay? Now, just to let you guys know, of course, we don't want the market to go down. For those of us who share the same bias, the market should be going up. We don't want the market to go down. But we know that the market can go down. And it's okay if it goes down. Because again, like I said, logically, and you know, the universal laws state that if whatever goes down, it will go back up. Okay? Therefore, if the market goes down, it will eventually go back up. It's not going to stay down. All you have to do is continue to live long enough. You continue to live, it'll go back up. All right? So just know that if the market fails to go higher, it's going to go lower, but it will go back up eventually. Okay? Now, here's the thing. If this market goes beyond this area, the French presidential elections gap, it goes down to here. Well, let me back up. If it goes down to this area, that's when you should be concerned. But don't give up on your bias. You should really take watch to what's going on. In the event that it breaks out of this area, it goes down to here, you should heighten that alertness. Like, whoa. But again, the way that I trade, I'm not changing my bias until that market, if and when that market goes beyond here. That's it. Now, of course, there are traders who they trade differently, and that's totally fine. But this is what I'm looking at. This is how I'm able to crush the market the way that I do. You know, this is how. And of course, like I said yesterday, your timing with your entry, the perfect entry strategy, the stay in your trade strategy. These strategies will get you in the market, allow you to stay in your trades. But on a long term, you have to know what's going on. You must know what's going on. And this is what's going on a long term. Now, in my next video, because I know that a lot of you, I'm going to do another video explaining how people will take this and twist it all up, and somehow, even with my analysis, they'll still lose. I'm going to explain why is it and how is it that they will still lose. It's crazy how one could just miss the mark. You miss the message. But anyway, that'll be another video. I want to make this video short. The next video, I'm going to cover that because it's right here in front of you. How do you lose? It's crazy. But anyway, you guys know I'm Yusef Scott, the Forex GOAT. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right? Peace.